3 gadgets you didn't know you needed but totally do. Product 1, Mini Toaster. Tiny toaster. Yep. Crispy sandwiches in minutes. Easy cleanup, zero mess. Product 2, Toggle Lamp. It's a lamp that looks like a giant switch. One click equals instant cozy vibes. So
Product
small,
3,
so cool.
Mini
Humidifier. Moisturizes air plus
So
glows
small,
while
so
working.
cool.
Equals instant cozy
Moisturizes
vibes.
air plus
Perfect
glows
for your
while
desk.
working.
Follow for daily gadget drops. Have you ever spotted the eye in Fortnite sky? It's not just decoration, it's the eye of providence. You've seen it on the dollar bill. But why is it watching you in a game? This symbol has deep roots. Secret societies, surveillance, control. And here's where it gets weird. That eye. It always shows up right before major Fortnite events. Chapter-ending blackouts. Unexpected world flips. The eye was there first. Some believe Epic Games is hiding messages. Clues about who's really pulling the strings. Is Fortnite just fun? Or a simulation warning us about real life? Think that's crazy? Then why does the map have so many pyramids, eyes, and ancient symbols? Maybe it's not just a game. Maybe Fortnite is showing us the truth. But hey, that's just a theory. Or is it?